The MK party was excluded and denied participation in the sellout GNU because we do not agree with the ANC and the DA racist on many fronts.
Usakhalezi Matonzi namanje umkhonto wesizwe ngokusala ngaphandle kwi-GNU angiqale nje ngubingelele ngwamukele le channel eMaswidi Mina Production okubingelelayo Mxolisi Mfana kaDlomo uma ngabe ke uyaqala ukufika le channel cela uzongezela iqiniso lokuthi ucofa subscribe maqedwe bale video ushaye like bese kuya comment kulolu daba lunomhlanje ngathi kwethu udaba esingalo njengamanje lungenkulumo kaMnumzane Dr John Hlophe ebekade ke yenza le eParliament lapho khona bekhulumela ke iqembu lomkhonto wesizwe njengoba ke kuyena umholi walabo abameleke umkhonto wesizwe manje umkhonto wesizwe samile phekwe phuzu ke lokuthi wawunesifiso sokuba ke ungene ku-GNU wawunesifiso sokuthi ke usebenze namaqembu aku-GNU kepha ukuthi ke wanqatshelwa lelo thuba okanye wa-excludewa ngokuthi ke kufakwe i-DA lapho khona ke wona kwakwaziwa vele ukuthi ke awuzukuvuma ke ukusebenza ne-DA njengoba kuzomuza umnumzane John Hlophe echaza la indaba yakhe ethi ke babengenankinga nokuthi bangene ku-GNU kepha kukhona amaqembu aku-GNU abebengethande ukuthi ke basebenzisane kanye nawo ngicela nje ukuthi uyizwele ngawakhe mangabe usuqedile ungenzela iqiniso lokuthi ucofa subscribe uyalike bese uyacomment asidibane kwi-video landelayo ngiyabonga.
The MK party was excluded and denied participation in the sellout GNU because we do not agree with the ANC and the DA racist on many fronts. In our manifesto, we were loud and clear. I quote, "The MK party is committed to transformative change across all sectors of South African society. Our policies are designed to address the most pressing challenges we face today."
Order, honorable members. Can we all be in order and allow the speaker on the podium to proceed?
I will go back to our manifesto. The MK party is committed to transformative change across all sectors of South African society. Our policies are designed to address the most pressing challenges we face today: economic inequality, inadequate access to quality education and healthcare, national security threats, inequitable land distribution, and the need for robust traditional leadership and foreign policies that reflect our values and aspirations. Through our manifesto as the MK party, we aim to lay down a clear path towards a more equitable, secure, and prosperous future for all South Africans.